At SBB, we started with Steel Emergency Restoration System, or ERS towers, but we saw the potential to go further, towards something lighter, faster, sustainable, and more versatile. Our transition to aluminum was a strategic move. Its lightweight, modular design not only reduced installation time, but also enhanced our ability to deliver critical solutions more efficiently, all without compromising on strength. This shift underscores our commitment to efficiency and innovation. By designing custom add-ons, such as working platforms, fall arrest devices, and other add-ons, we allowed our clients to adapt their towers to their unique project needs. This innovation led us to create our Aluminium Guyed Towers business unit, designed to offer our clients a more comprehensive range of applications, offering the same reliability and fast deployment while expanding into new sectors like telecommunications, mining, and renewable power generation. No matter the challenge, we have the solution.